Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and today I'm here to show you guys the HSP Tail Assist. Now, the HSP Tail Assist is a fantastic addition to your vehicle that simplifies how you access your tub. Proudly designed and made in Australia, the HSP Tail Assist comes in either a dual or a single strut system. The innovative design not only dampens the descent of your tailgate for a soft drop, but also lightens the load when lifting it, making every interaction with your vehicle's tailgate effortless and safe. Ideal for when your hands are actually full. Now, installing the HSP Tail Assist is incredibly easy, requiring no special tools or skills. Most kits can be set up in less than 30 minutes and utilize existing factory points. You have two options to choose from. The traditional twin strut kit, which is ideal for vehicles without a factory fitted torsion bar. This offers both the soft drop and the easy lift capability. And of course, the single strut option, which focuses only on the dampening, is perfect for vehicles that already have a built-in weight reduction from the torsion bars. These kits are perfect for just about any user. They prevent the tailgate from slamming down or causing injuries, which is especially important for families. You might think that handling the weight of the tailgate isn't a big deal, but our biggest selling point has actually surprisingly been people looking to make their tailgate safer for their children or those who might struggle with that weight. The HSP Tail Assist is also the go-to choice for genuine accessories. In fact, we test these anywhere between 20,000 to 100,000 cycles. So that's the Tail Assist. Please feel free to visit us on our social media at HSP4x4 or our website www.hspleads.com, to which you can also get in touch with any of our distributors around the country and globally using our store finder.